Happy lunchtime. This is Elsie Kerns, your overwhelmed warrior, and I want to talk today about energy medicine because energy medicine is the oldest, safest, most affordable, most accessible energy there is. And your energy is absolutely unique to you. So, what can energy medicine do for you? Well, it can help you release stress, work with allergies, autoimmune issues, sleep issues. And it is something that each person has available 24/7 because you're working with your own unique energy. Saturday, Sunday, April 24th, 25th, this coming weekend, we're going to be doing a live class to teach practical, easy, effective energy medicine techniques. They are part of the Eden Energy Method, the Eden Method, energy method that has been, well, it's been taught all over the world, as a matter of fact, and it is something that you can learn and apply for your own energy to get yourself healthier, more vital. And it's a great anti-aging tip by tip to help you stay young and vital. Come join us April 24th, 25th, right in Marlton. We are live from 10 to 4 at a beautiful space. Laura Ann's space is absolutely huge, so we have plenty of room for social distancing and for literally practicing these techniques. You get a complete handout and a completion certificate. I'd love to see you. If you have any questions, email me, elsie@overwhelmedwarrior.com. I can't wait to show you these techniques. Over 40 years ago, Donna Eden, the founder of the Eden Method, wrote the book, Energy Medicine, and she actually healed herself of multiple sclerosis and then began teaching what she combined with kinesiology and brain gym and traditional Chinese medicine, bringing them into a simple, understandable form that everybody can use, and it's available 24/7. So again, I invite you to become part of the group so you can learn these things, and especially to keep that strong immune system. We need that in today's world. Again, please come and join me. The link is here. Love to share this day with you. You can come to day 1 only or day 1 and 2. Okay. Thanks. Have a great rest of the week.